Frenzy Spin Happy Jackpot review. Is this casino app legit? If you've come across Frenzy Spin Happy Jackpot and are wondering whether it's a legitimate casino app or something you should be cautious about, this review will walk you through what the app claims to offer, how it works, and whether it seems safe and trustworthy. Frenzy Spin Happy Jackpot is presented as a casino-style gaming app where users can play slot machines, spin wheels, and engage in other games of chance with the potential to earn rewards, bonuses, or in-game currency. Many casino apps promise big wins and exciting gameplay, but it's important to evaluate whether those promises are grounded in real, fair mechanics. Getting started with the app usually involves downloading it to your device, creating a user account, and exploring the available games. The interface is typically designed to be bright, engaging, and easy to navigate, which is common for casino-style apps. However, flashy design alone doesn't prove legitimacy or fairness. One of the most important things to consider with casino apps is transparency around gameplay and rewards. Legitimate casino apps clearly explain how odds work, how bonuses are earned and used, and what the rules are for any real money features. If the app doesn't clearly state how game mechanics are regulated or provide fair play information, that's a warning sign. Security and privacy matter too. Trusted apps protect your personal and financial data with encryption and transparent privacy policies. If permissions requested by the app seem excessive, unclear, or unrelated to gameplay, that's another reason to be cautious. User feedback can also offer insight. Real, verifiable reviews from players that mention game fairness, ease of cash-outs, and overall user experience are good signs. Generic praise, suspiciously positive testimonials, or a lack of credible feedback can make it hard to trust the app's claims. Here's a quick look at the pros and cons. Looking at the pros, Frenzy Spin Happy Jackpot offers an engaging and visually appealing experience that can be fun for casual play. If you enjoy slot-style games and quick spins for entertainment, its interface and game variety may hold appeal. On the downside, the cons mainly relate to legitimacy and trust. Limited information on how game fairness and odds are regulated raises questions, and without clear, verified player reviews, it's hard to confirm whether rewards, bonuses, or payouts work as advertised. Terms for cash-outs or real money features, if present, may be unclear, and concerns about how user data is handled should be considered. In summary, Frenzy Spin Happy Jackpot may be entertaining as a casual casino-style app, but questions about fairness, reward legitimacy, and lack of verifiable user feedback mean you should proceed with caution. If you decide to play, treat it as entertainment first, and be mindful of privacy settings and any financial commitments you make within the app.